Do you want to know how to develop video games? The game like these? Then you came to right place. Hi, my name is Umer, and in this course I will teach you how to create third person action shooter game in Unreal Engine using blueprint from beginner to advanced level. In this course I will teach you step by step how to create a AAA quality game in Unreal Engine. This course is consist of several modules, so we will see each and every module step by step. So without any further delay, let's get started.